Hello from another staycation in Dubai. Here is the Hilton Hotel in Palm. I'm going to check in and show you everything. Let's go. So here is the entrance. As you can guess, it's 5-star hotel, Beachfront hotel, and yeah, let's go inside. Ooh, lovely. It's massive space. This lobby is huge. Wow. They have some Arabic coffee here. You can help yourself if you want. Here at the desk you can book restaurants. They have quite a few. Yeah, it's really nice. Over there is reception desk. And you can have a coffee or some snacks here. I'm already in our room. It's room 444 on 4th floor. And yeah, it's sea view. I will show you everything. Let's start here with mini bar. We have some goodies. They have price list. Check the prices. It's not the cheapest, but yeah, it is what it is in Dubai. Coffee machine, water. I love these refillable bottles. It's really nice and eco-friendly. Oh, minibar. Okay, you need to put some code. I don't know the code. Okay, that's fine. So we will not see the minibar. Plenty of space. Nice. Safe, huge. What is this? Oh, it's bathroom. Nice. And the bathroom. Everything looks nice, clean, smell really good. And we also have a shower. Check it. It's huge. Wow. Nice. And again, yeah, clean, well done. Let's go back to the room. It can be connected, so if it's more of you or if you have kids, whatever, you can ask and they can put you together. This is the room. It's a standard, nothing like a special, but as I said, really clean, good amenities, yeah. And the best part, we came early. It's around 11:30 a.m. and we got this room, so it's really good. So yeah, we have whole day here to chill out or use pool facilities, etc. Let's go to the balcony. Nice. You have some seating area here in the balcony. Beautiful. I'm really happy with this hotel so far. I think they are busy, so lack of customer service was already experienced, but it's fine. It's nothing major. But I love the location. It's really one of my favorite location here in Dubai. You can actually walk there, and it's the reason why I love this location. Nakil Mall is really close by, like few steps away. You can have some shopping there. You can go for a lunch, dinner, whatever you want there. So yeah, and the view is amazing. I love it. Let's go to the pool. I'm already outside. Yeah, I actually don't know if they have one pool or more pool. I did not even check this hotel properly. I just booked it really last minute and yeah, without any research or something. But it's nice, yeah, as you can see, it's huge resort. So many restaurants actually, wow, yeah. So many. If you are here for a week or two, wow, you will have plenty of choices. Amazing, really good. And going to the pool area. Oh wow, it's like around the pool. I will show you from here. See? Nice. Plenty of sunbeds, which is really good. I'm just going to find some empty. It looks like everything is full at this top level. I'm going down there. Oh, you can see some spaces here. Yeah. We got cards for towels, so you need to exchange them for towels. This is not my favorite part. I don't like to do this, but unfortunately, yeah, it's here. I prefer just grab the towels in towel station, and that's it. Not just like bother with any cards, etc. Like exchanging that. You know what I mean? But it's fine. And I'm on my way to the beach. Here is kids pool. God. It's really busy actually. Here is the towel station. I will grab my towel later on. And this is the promenade which I talked about before. It's so lovely. You can walk that way and get to Nakil Mall. And yeah, I can't recommend it enough, especially during the evening. It's amazing. Here is the beach. and it's actually empty. It's still pretty hot here in Dubai, so yeah, let's try the sun. Wow, it's hot. Yeah, so not many people here. Ah, yeah, quite a few, but yes. I'm going to try the water. From my experience, usually here on the palm, water is hotter than is in other part. It's just like steady. Oh, the sun is really hot. Oh, I can see. Yeah, it's actually good temperature. It's not that hot. It's not boiling. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, you are getting these towel cards when you finish sunbathing and swimming, etc. You need to return your towels. It is actually annoying for me. I don't know. Let me know how do you feel about that. But yeah, in 5-star hotel, that's kind of well. I know it's busy. It's huge hotel, but at least they should take the towels and yeah. But as I said, with these qualities, I have my card back. That's fine. I guess you need to give it back during the checkout. You can actually see the whole resort here and what you can do here or what they have. As I said, so many restaurants. And here is the Irish pub. They had actually live music in Irish pub yesterday, but I was so tired. I didn't go there, but yeah. So if you fancy some band or some just live performance, yeah, it's really good. If you are a Diamond member in Hilton, you can access executive lounge for free. Not all hotels have executive lounge, but yeah, this one has it. we are in executive lounge during the evening happy hour. I have a cocktail. Let me tell you, it's really busy. It's not like private, intimidating, something special. Executive lounge is like, yeah, so many people. This cocktail, it's really remind me some cheap. Sorry to say that. Some cheap, all-inclusive resorts. Yeah, so it's like some mix of and small. Nothing really special. You can have beer, wine, and some spirits as well if you want. But yeah, it's so busy. And some canapé, of course, which is fine. Yeah, I'm not like complaining, but I'm just telling you my experience. We are checking out from Hilton Hotel. Uh, it's actually good. I can't really complain about the stay. First thing first, price was around 140 dirhams per night, which is fine. Yeah, we got upgrade, and because of our diamond status, we got complimentary breakfast and access to executive lounge. So I think it's a really reasonable price if you are diamond member. However, it's really a huge hotel, and it's just my personal opinion. I prefer to have smaller hotels and like more intimidated than this. So this is kinda like my, I don't want to say issue, but yeah, it was really huge. And in older hotel, in like smaller hotels, you can have better customer service. But yeah, I kinda understand. It's really huge and busy. So the customer service is 100%. Yes. So, but apart from that, yeah, like so many restaurants you can choose from different restaurants. During the week, they have happy hours, which is actually perfect in most of the bars. And yeah, so all good. But yeah, it's good. It's on the beach. The location is perfect, and you definitely can have some relaxed time here if you want. Would I stay here again? Yeah, maybe. So hopefully you like this video and find it useful if the Hilton Hotel is for you. And if you stayed here already, let me know how you like it. That's it from today review. Please smash thumbs up and consider subscribing. It's free. And yeah, bye bye. See you with another review.